Today we're exploring an affordable way to protect and renew your vehicle's interior with one of the most iconic car care brands in the world, the Armour All Multi-Pack Interior Protectant and Wipes. If you're looking to stop fading, cracking and dust build-up on your dash, doors or steering wheel, this pack promises to help keep your interior looking cleaner and longer. Let's break down what it's all about. Armour. All original Protectant and related wipes have been around for decades as part of Armour All's interior care lineup, a brand known for products designed to clean, shine and protect various automotive surfaces. This multi-pack brings together protectant sprays and wipes intended for everyday interior maintenance, ideal if you want an all-in-one solution without costly professional detailing. UV damage is one of the most common causes of aging visible on car interiors. Dashboards can fade and become brittle when repeatedly exposed to sunlight. A dedicated protectant helps seal these surfaces from UV rays, resisting the effects of long-term sun exposure. This can be especially helpful in sunny climates where dashboards and plastics take more sun exposure year-round. The spray or wipe application makes this product approachable for car owners who want a DIY detail solution. For best results, it's typically applied to a clean microfiber towel and wiped across interior plastics, vinyl and rubber surfaces. The UV inhibitors in the formula help slow fading and cracking, giving your cabin surfaces a refreshed, well-kept appearance without professional tools. This multi-pack is designed for drivers who want quick interior care between washes. It's ideal for weekend cars needing regular upkeep, daily drivers with kids or frequent passengers. Anyone who prefers a clean, protected interior over time. Because the wipes and sprays are portable and easy to use, you can maintain your interior surfaces with minimal effort and cost, a big plus for busy lifestyles. This multi-pack is best suited for everyday drivers who want an affordable interior maintenance option without investing in professional detailing products. It's especially good for first-time car owners, commuter vehicles, or weekend enthusiasts who want to keep their interior looking cared for and protected from UV exposure. In summary, the Armour All Multi-Pack Interior Protectant and Wipes delivers a simple and accessible way to clean and protect interior surfaces, especially for those seeking a quick and effective interior refresh. Check the link in the description for current pricing and product details. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more practical automotive product reviews.